Hi, here we are in the midst of this COVID-19 craziness, and I'm actually kind of excited because I got a really cool looking package today. I have my little gloves on, and I want to open it and share with you what's inside. I think you're going to like it. This is my very first ADHD solution card deck. How cool is that? What is an ADHD solution card deck, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. So I'm going to open it so I can show you what's inside. This is a tool that you can use at home, and now is a great time to use it. And what it is, it's an adaptation of the 5 C's of ADHD parenting in card deck form, inspiration card deck. What that means is that you can pick a card when you need it, and you can also work your way through the deck. This deck is an adaptation along with new ideas of how to use the 5 C's of ADHD parenting. Let me show you how beautiful it is. We have celebration, that's one suit. We have consistency, that's another suit. Collaboration, compassion, and self-control. Here's how you use these cards. Let's say that you would like to learn how to use the 5 C's of ADHD parenting. Right here is a welcome card in the back. Gives you a sense of how to use them and who I am, which you probably already know, and how you can use the deck. You can work your way through each of the 5 C's individually, or you can just pick out a card. Let's say you're stressed out and your child's making you kind of nuts. You can say, oh my God, I need some help with self-control. And you can just pick out a card randomly. Here's one, teaching verbal impulse control with wait now. Ivy, age 12, says, sometimes I interrupt too much. I speak out, more at home than with my friends at school. I can rein it in if I need to. And each card has a challenge and a tool. So what's the challenge? Kids with ADHD often blurt things out, which causes them difficulties at home, during school, and with peers. What's the tool? The tool, teach kids to use wait now to help them reflect on what they're saying before or even once they've started talking. Encourage them to pause, ask themselves, why am I talking now? And then see if they need to say what's on their mind. We adults can use this too. It's a great little resource. How about another one? Let's say your child is not cooperating. You would like some collaboration tips. You can pick out a collaboration card. Here we go, collaboration. Put have-tos before want-tos. When I get home from school, I usually drop my backpack on the floor, but my dad goes, all right, do what you need to do. It's like unpack the bag, snack, read. I unpack first so I get to do what I want to do until homework at 4. No fighting. Ray, age 11. And then again, there's the challenge. So what's the summary of the challenge? Since it's hard to muster up energy for things that seem unpleasant or uninteresting, kids avoid doing what needs to get done and frequently argue with you about these tasks. What can you do about that? Okay, the tool. Discuss and identify which tasks are have-tos and which ones are want-tos. Map out an order for doing the necessary things before the desirable ones that works for both of you. Remember that kids would rather not fight with you, and you can use this desire to engage their participation. So these are great cards. You can leave them on the table. You can put them in the bathroom. You can keep them next to your bed for you to rely on, and also for your kids to leaf through. You can get this card deck on Amazon.com, and if you buy it and you like it, please leave a review. I'll be eternally grateful. Or you can buy them through the publisher of these cards, which is PESI, P-E-S-I. You can find them online. I hope that this card deck will be an addition to your library of tips and strategies and tools that you can use to improve your life living with a child or teen who has ADHD. I'm sending my best to you for health and safety during this time of shelter in place. Take care.